Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app. Make sure Word is updated and you're signed into your Office account so settings sync. Once ready, open Word and go straight to File, then Options. In Options, select General, where Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office appears. This is where you take control of the interface color. Don't stop at the desktop app. Check Word Online after to compare. These first steps place you where the white mode toggle lives so you can change it now. Now enable white mode. In Options under Personalize, change Office theme to white. If you prefer accents, choose colorful but keep the background white. Once done, open the Design tab and set page color to white so the document canvas matches the UI. If Word still shows dark elements, go to View and disable Read Mode Dark Page and check your Windows system theme. Word can follow System Dark Mode. Make sure to apply and close Options, so changes finish by restarting Word to ensure every element uses the new white settings. Then open a blank document and save your preferred defaults to normal. So new files open in white mode. If you still see dark areas, update Office and Windows first, then disable third-party add-ins and test again. One key troubleshooting tip. Word may follow Windows High Contrast or System Dark theme. Change Windows personalization colors back to light, restart Word, and the white mode should reappear immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.